Yeah. In the new way we're working, right? The hybrid way. If that's what we're calling it. I'm calling it a hybrid way. So in the hybrid way of working, how do you fit it in? Because if you go and talk to distributors, right, or you talk to suppliers, and you talk to engineers, or you talk to people from procurement, making sure that you have everybody in the same place. What's your secret right now?
The fact that we're hybrid, a lot of our customers are working from home several days a week, maybe in the office a couple days a week. And so what I find is that there's really two types of interaction with customers. There's tactical interaction, which means that they have a problem which needs attention right away. And if that's the case, the best thing to do is to hop on a virtual meeting and bring in the resources, because you know very quickly I can have a call with my principal, engineers from around the world that can bring support, and the customer, and they really appreciate that speed. They want to get their problem solved quickly. Because I'm local here in my territory, I'll go to the customer in person, and then I'll bring in the rest of the team virtually. Yeah. That way I can read body language of the customer, and I can see what they're doing, and how they're reacting. But yet I'm also bringing all the resources from my principal from around the world, if necessary, to solve the problem quickly. So that's kind of the tactical interaction. And then I think the other piece is strategic. And that's where you have a principal that says, hey, we have a new product that we think would be a great fit in your territory. Yeah. So we're going to be there in 4 weeks, 5 weeks, whatever. And we'd like you to put together a visit. And that's when you can go to your customer and say, hey, here's what we'd like to present. Here's the value proposition. We really think it'll be worth your time. Yeah. And then they can organize their team. They can say, okay, so-and-so will be here on this day, but they're normally not here, but we're going to pull them in. And they can pull a really good in-person meeting, but it takes time, and you have to plan it.
It's a lot of planning. Yeah.
Yeah.
I like that.
If you like Mind Innovation, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and share the show wherever you get your podcast. You can follow Sannah Winding and Mind Innovation on Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And make sure to check out mindinnovation.com. Stay curious and keep learning. See you next time.